Good morning, children. Now this is ninth class social studies. This is the seventh lesson. Industries in India. What is that? Industries in India. So, children, I said in the previous lesson about the types of industries: agro-based industries and also metal-based industries. Okay, children, or mineral-based industries. Here I explained to you in the previous lesson what are the agro-based industries. I said about some industries. Okay, for example, cotton textile. Okay, so where cotton textile industries are located, especially they located in Gujarat and Maharashtra area. Why? Because cotton is abundantly growing by the farmers in that area. So that's why our our ancestors and also our government to set up the industries in that location where the raw material is available or near the raw material. Okay, children. After here, sugar industry. I said already about jute industry. Okay, textile industry, etc. Now this is sugar industry. It is also agro-based industry. Why? Because sugarcane is growing by the farmers. Sugarcane is growing by the farmers. Okay, so that's why it is also agro-based industry. Especially the sugar industry occupied second place in the world. Why? Because abundantly growing almost all states in our country. Why? Because where the water or irrigation facilities are there in the states of our country, in that places the sugarcane is abundantly growing. Okay, children. So that's why it occupied second place in the world. Next one, we are producing jaggery and kandasari also. You know what is the jaggery? Jaggery means bellam. Okay, children. So bellam always using for ariselu, burelu, okay, etc. Next one, children. Okay, in our country, almost how many major sugar industries are there? 460 sugar industries are there, children. How many? 460 sugar industries are there. Among them, 60% industries are located in especially two states. What are the two states here? I wrote to here Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Where? Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Why? Because in Uttar Pradesh area and Bihar area, land is fertile land, water is also available. Okay, farmers are cultivating. Next, climate condition also suitable. Okay, children. So they are the favorable condition in that Uttar Pradesh and Bihar area. So that's why the farmers are growing the sugar cane. Next one, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, children. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. So in these states also, the sugar cane is growing by farmers, children. Okay. Next one here. This is what type of industry? It is seasonal. The sugar cane is seasonal crop. Okay. So that is why almost the industry is cooperative. They are running the industries cooperatively. Okay, children. So that is about the sugarcane industry. Next one, it needs cool climate, children. It needs cool climate. Next to transportation. Actually, sucrose, we know sucrose. So where the sugarcane industry locates, where the sugarcane production is available. Why? Because why? Because why? Because it is because they are growing near the factories, or the factories are setting up near the sugarcane areas. Right? Okay, children. Next one, look, children. Mineral based industries. What are that? Mineral based industries. Here the mineral based industries, first one is minerals and metals. How these industries are running? Minerals and metals. Especially in our country, the important mineral based industries are Iron and steel. So this is important mineral based industry, children. Where this iron and steel industry is located in our country? They are located in almost the peninsular India. Look at children, this is South India. Okay, so this is South India. So peninsular India, the sugarcane, the mineral based industry, iron, steel and industry are locating, children. Why? Because this is Deccan Plateau area. Okay, so minerals are available. So that is the main reason. Okay, children. So next one, location. So the raw material of mineral is available in the peninsular India. Next one, power also need. So power, we know electricity. To run the factory or to run the machinery, electricity is important. Okay, children. Next one, what are the alternative for power? Coal, petroleum, gas also there. So with this coal, petroleum, gas also we are running the machinery. Okay, children, but it is very expensive compared with the electricity power, children. Okay. Next one, heavy. There are three kinds, children. Heavy industries are there, medium industries are there, light industries also there. Okay. So they are producing engineering goods, children. Many goods are there, children. So among them, engineering goods, construction, for construction purpose, okay, etc., etc. These iron, steel, and using, children. Next one, every year in our country, 32.8 million tons are producing. How much? 32.8 million tons are producing in our country. But what is the what type of steel is producing in our country? Crude steel. What is that? Crude steel, children. Okay. Per annum, we are using just 32 kilograms only or kgs only. This is the per capita consumption of our country. But remaining, what we'll do? So, what is the production from our country industries? We are exporting this crude steel to other countries, children. So, when we are exporting this crude steel, then we are getting some foreign currency. Okay, children, foreign amount. So that is about to iron and steel company, children, or iron and steel industries. Next industry is here aluminium smelting. What it is? Aluminium smelting. Actually, the aluminium industries also occupied second place. Okay, second place. Next one, it is using for metallurgical works, for example, aircrafts, utensils, wires, etc. So many uses are there for this aluminium. Among them, the famous one we know aircrafts. That means aeroplane, okay, etc. Next one, utensils. Many utensils are there. For example, if you go to home in the kitchen, mom is preparing many dishes. So that all utensils, okay, some are made by steel, some are made by aluminium. Okay, children. So next one, wires. So current wires, we know the electrical wires. Okay, so that all wires are made by aluminium. Okay, children. Next one, 8 industries are there, children, in our country. They are locating especially Odisha. Where Odisha? Nalco and Balco. Where, children? Nalco and Balco. Next one, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Okay, in these states we are producing the aluminium from the factories or industries, children. Okay, next one, every year we are producing how much? 600 million tons of aluminium we are producing from our factories or industries, children. How many? 600 million tons. Actually, the raw material of this aluminium is bauxite, children. Bauxite is a form of dark reddish rock, children. Okay, from this we are mixturing some additional minerals and we are making as this one. What is this one? Aluminium. Okay, children. So that is about aluminium. Next one, chemical industries. What are that? Chemical industries. Here, chemical industries also adding in our national income in GDP. GDP means what, children? Gross domestic production. Gross domestic product. Okay, children? In that gross domestic product, through chemical industry, we are adding 3% of income, children. Of total income. Okay, how much percent? 3%. Actually, we know what are the chemical industries, materials, etc. For example, I wrote here sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkalides, soda, etc. Okay, children. With these all chemicals, we are using so many. For example, soaps, glass works. Okay, some kinds of utensils, etc. Okay, children. So this is about agro-based industries and also mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries, what are that? Textile industry, jute industry, sugarcane industry. Mineral-based industries, I said some, I wrote here already. What are that? First one is iron and steel. Second one is aluminium smelting. Third one is chemical industry. Okay, children, I want to show you one map in your lesson. Okay. So now look at this map once again. Look, children, this is the map. Look at the map. Major coal fields, mines and iron and steel factories at the end of the chapter and shade them. Okay, children. So we know these are all states. I said what states are there? Iron and steel industries. Okay, children. For example, what is this? This is Gujarat. This is Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Okay. So most of the peninsular India iron and steel industries are there. Chhattisgarh. Look, children. Odisha, Chhattisgarh. They are also very, very important, children. Okay. Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra. So these areas, iron and steel companies are their, children. Okay. Aluminium companies, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh. Where is Uttar Pradesh? This is Kerala. This is Kerala. West Bengal. This is West Bengal. Odisha. This is Odisha. Okay, children. So in these areas, aluminium companies are their, children. Okay. Now, what are the uses of chemicals? I said already. Now look at here. Synthetic fiber, fertilizers, plastics, paints, dyes, stuffs, etc. Next one, soda, alkalite, nitric acid using for making of glass, soaps, detergents, paper, etc. Okay, children. Okay, now once again look at this map also, children. Look at the map and where minerals are at the end of the chapter. Shade them. So after this lesson, you look your textbook and material and where the particular minerals are there in our country, states, children. Okay. So I said already what are the states of our country from north to south. Here south, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, okay, Haryana, Punjab, Simla, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, etc. So next one here, eastern states also there, northeastern states, 7 states also there. Okay, children. Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya, etc. States also there. Okay. So with the help of textbook and material, you locate what are the states and what are the minerals. Okay, children. Thank you.